Whoa, whoa, whoa. I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Today is again a very interesting vlog. Another one of my recommendations if you come visit Thailand, especially Bangkok. Don't forget to visit Chatuchak Market. This market is actually massive. We are not even at the main area. So again, Chatuchak Market may be the coolest market in Thailand, and of course, the biggest. And you can find anything here, from antique collections to paintings, to clothes, accessories, some very Thai and unique pieces, and of course, pet animals and plants and food. But because it's Thursday, we are not seeing a lot of those things because that's only for the weekend market. Wednesday and Thursday, mga kakules, only plant bazaar. So maybe next time I'll come back here on the weekend so you can see the whole thing. The prices of the things here are way, way cheaper. And again, mga kakules, don't forget to ask for a discount every time you buy. So mga kakules, I am going to tour you now. This is the part that maybe you won't see my face, but you will hear my voice. So are you ready for this? Chatuchak Market, here we go! 50 baht. Oh wow, it's only 35. 3 for 100. Baby monstera plant. Wow, 4 for 100 baht. This one is 2,500 baht. Frangipani tree. This is really cheap. Frangipani trees. 100 baht only. And 150 baht. Frangipani trees are actually easy to grow. The prices of the plants are way cheaper. Actually, almost everything here, especially on the weekend, if you come here and visit Chatuchak, almost all the prices of different products here are way cheaper compared to, you know, going to malls. Wow, these are so cute. They range from 150 baht to 500 baht. Wow. They have gone up so high since plantitas and plantitos became also very big here in Thailand. These are so cool. 150 baht. พี่อันนี้เท่าไหร่คะพี่เท่าไหร่คะ150 Oh, 150 baht for this ชื่ออะไรคะพี่อะไรนะคะ Toxinia. Wow, very beautiful. 150 baht. Oh, roses. What are these? Very tiny. Oh, it's like the rubber plant. 150 baht. อันนี้เป็นโรสเหรอคะ Wow. เท่าไหร่คะพี่50 massive baht. 50 baht only. Yan mga kulas, again, shopping tips. You can ask discounts here if you buy at Chatuchak Market. And again, at Chatuchak, you can find some unique collections of different things, like one of a kind they do have here. So honey, what did you buy?
I bought a piece here that I'm going to do a resin for another stand. And
Can you
then,
tell them your channel?
I have a DIY channel that I do resin pours and then some twist pieces.
And how much is that?
It altogether was 200 baht for 3 pieces. It's going to be a nightlight.
That's
resin.
very cool.
And then this will be a resin stand. Yeah, very nice little pieces. Definitely good project pieces. I might have to come back here and buy some more stuff.
Bougainvillea. So this one is 350 baht. And this one is 500 baht. The lady said, if you live here in Bangkok, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. If you buy a lot, they deliver. Please comment below. What is this plant? Oh, wow. It almost looks like fake. The fruit. I have no idea. So if you are cactus or cacti lovers, please go to Chatuchak Market because you can buy the cacti cheaper here, way cheaper. Oh, these are beautiful.
The COVID cactus. Looks like the COVID. I don't know, I've never seen a cactus with those purple flowers on it.
It's beautiful. It's like what? A virus design?
Looks like the COVID. Because of the way it's shaped.
That's right, that's right.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful cactus. Wonder what cactus type are these? So mga kakules, if you know, please comment below. Because it's quite unique. This right here, this is 200 baht. And this one, the virus-looking one, these are 150 baht. Oh, they are so pretty. And these are 80 baht. This is only 300 baht. In our place, it's like 600 to 800 baht. But here, it's half the price. Monstera. See, this one mga kules, fiddle leaf, it's only 500 baht. By our place, it's like 5,000 baht. So again mga kules, it's very, very good deal if you come here at Chatuchak Market. And this one is more expensive, the one with the yellow leaves. Oh, wow, this one with the yellow leaves are, tao lai pi? 2,500. 2,500. Oh, how do they do this with yellow leaves? But these, only 150 baht. Way, way cheaper. So big. Wow. 1,000 baht. This is massive cactus. This one is, pitang lai ka? Anika, 3,000 baht. Woohoo! This is massive. It's like the size of a basin. This place is massive. It's huge. So right now, I'm actually very overwhelmed again. And I'm so confused which way to look because they are all pretty. Judeng, shout out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Cattleya, 150 baht. These are all beautiful. Oh, so yeah. Mixed price, mga kakules, but the cheapest is 500 baht. Oh wow, these are beautiful.
3,500 baht.
Wow, tamay pengpi. 3,500 baht. Oh, that one 3,500. And this one, oh, very big.
นี่สานี่เท่าไหร่
Oh, 3,500. Wow. And look at that big flower. They are also nice and cheap. Well, some of them are very, very cheap. เท่าไหร่คะพี่อันนี้ค่ะ Oh my gosh, look at this. And the big one?
The big one, 300 ค่ะ
อ๋อ อันนี้เป็นอะไรกับbonsai ล่ะคะ
bonsai ค่ะ
Oh, wow. Like tiny palm trees. They almost look so real. They are like
It is small.
fake plants, but they are not fake.
สวยมาก
Yes. Oh, they are so cute. Again, mga kulis, look. In person, they actually look tiny, like tiny palm trees that you can put like indoor plants. This is 60,500, and this is bonsai. Oh wow, like this.
เขาก็ just แมวบอกเขา
I'm so surprised. This is really, I guess, the most expensive plant. I mean, in my opinion. These are orchids.
ก็จะมีเรื่อยๆนะคะตอนเนี้ยประมาณ 2-3 เดือนนะเขาจะมีต่อเรื่อยๆถ้าพอหมดแล้วก็จะ
These are Cattleya, 600 baht, but these are at least what? Five pieces. Five. Yeah. Look how beautiful they are. If you buy one, 150 baht, but if you buy 5, 600 baht. Look, because each has an individual pot. Very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my vlog mga Kules, and please don't forget to hit the bell para updated kayo sa iba't ibang tips ni Kules Teacher Diary dito sa Thailand. Thank you for watching. Chatuchak Market!